Welcome back to another video, everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to budget like a pro. Now, my wife usually will just go in and grab our bank transactions and the amounts, and then she'll line by line go in and designate what type of purchase it is. That way we can then categorize all of our expenses, and we can do some nice charts and stuff. So we'll walk through this. I have modified these transactions and made some dummy ones just for the purpose of this video. So what we can do now is just hit automate budget, and it'll go through and it'll look for keywords inside column A, and then it will give us the keyword we're looking for in column D. We achieve this by a Google Apps script, and we'll just walk through this rather quickly here. I usually like to just include all the information in the description below. That way you can just click on the link, copy the code, and then just read the resource materials. Basically, we have several keywords that we have created, such as like food, and then just to label it keywords, mortgage, insurance, software, dine, gas, liquor, etc. And then we can define whatever words we want to be related to this. So if I make a purchase at Walmart, Shaw's, the Littleton Food Co-op, Dollar General, the Riverside Marquee, or Franconia Market, I want these to be considered like grocery shopping. So if we scroll down here, so if column A contains one of these keywords, we want to set the value in column D as groceries, which is, you can see what's being accomplished right here. So basically, if you want to create a new one, all you have to do is scroll down, you grab the last, Control C to copy, give yourself some room, and then you're just going to Control V to paste it. And then all you have to do is change the keyword here. So we could change this to, let's say, motorcycle, and then we'll put the keyword here as motorcycle. And then we have to change one more thing up here. Let me just copy this row, paste it, change the keyword to motorcycle, and then we need to put whatever the word would be in here. So hit save. So now if we create a dummy transaction with a bunch of numbers and the word motorcycle in here, we'll say we're spending 500 bucks. Now if we do auto budget, we should get motorcycle. So that's how easy it is to adapt this to your budgetary needs. Most of the template is here. Just go in and swap out some keywords. I like to use whatever is in here, so I will look for bank loan. As you can see, I just did the word bank, so anytime the word bank shows up in my statement, it's going to consider that as debt. Financing vehicles, I did auto finance, credit card payments, and then I have like subscriptions such as Netflix, Google Workspace, Microsoft, things like that. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.